Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you.
Okay.
The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, everything in my day.
Thank you so much. Wala, yun mo. Asa ka dugay? Andas. Wala ka na.
As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, all
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Dito ngayon sa London, it's nighttime already. So I think we are now nearly 9 o'clock, so 8:45. So galing kami sa taas. My husband treated me for my advance birthday celebration. It's just a dinner kasi sobrang trabaho ko. I was 2 weeks straight night, so pagod na pagod ako, so I won't be able to, cook or anything. So andito kami ngayon, kaya lang it's not so complete kasi wala yung eldest ko. So yeah, but still we managed to celebrate, just the three of us. Alam mo na, kulang talaga pag kulang ang pamilya. Pero life must go on. So, you see that one? It's a bridge to Canada. It's a beautiful bridge going to Canada Square. So we are in Canary Wharf. This place is the where most of the businesses, big businesses, are built. So look at all the cameramen. Well, I mean, I don't know, but they're really doing taking picture of this beautiful light bridge going to that building there. It's the Canada Square. So yun. So ikot natin para makita nyo yung Canada Wharf na sinasabi dito sa London. big tall buildings here and big businesses. So meron kaming ano dito sa Canary wharf, they have the roof garden. It's upstairs. Diyan papunta, but then again, it's already closed. So, kami dumaan kanina, so I thought hindi siya mag-close, pero mag-close siya. So, hindi na namin mapuntahan. Kami sa labas na. So, ayan. Diba? Ito yung dalawang kasama. May mga ano na, for rent and scooter. So, ikot-ikot lang tayo. Yung ano nila, oh, Canary Wharf, Jubilee Line Underground Station. Punta sa baba. Yan. So, we're going now. So, ito na yung aming station. So, we're going home. Wow. Thank you for watching my video once again. This is Marilou's Love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye. God bless. Canary wharf. Station. So, ito. Open yan. Galing kami dun sa taas. So, yung so, dito kami, Canary wharf. And then we're going to Canary Road. So, dito kami bababa. Kami ng bus dyan, cruise.